summertime, and I don't really break too easily.
Hello my friend, welcome back to a super motivating speed clean. In today's video we are using all non-toxic products like normal to get our house back in order and ready for 2024. We are starting off with tidying up after the Christmas chaos. We're going to be taking down all of the Christmas decor today and just resetting the house. I am sure you have a lot to do around your house, so go ahead and clean along with me today. I would love to know if you still have your Christmas decorations up. If so, let us know when you plan to take those down. Do you leave them up until after the new year, or do you plan on taking them down in the next day or so? I always find it really interesting to see when everyone takes their Christmas decor down. With that being said, I hope you all had a beautiful Christmas and I hope you got to spend it with the people that you love. For us, we had a lot of change in plans with our Christmas due to sicknesses and weather, so we ended up hosting super last minute, cooking a dinner on Christmas Eve, which was not in the original plan, and we had some family spend the night. We had a day in between to kind of get the house ready and back in order, as we have family coming down to spend a few days here super last minute, which they're actually coming today, the day you're seeing this video, and the second half of this video was filmed yesterday. So for now, as you can see, I'm working my way through the mess. I find it to be very overwhelming when my house is chaos, which I think is why I ended up taking Christmas down. I just needed a house reset and wanted to start off the new year with a fresh, clean slate. When it comes to tidying up here, I usually like to grab a trash bag and work my way through collecting all of the garbage. Unfortunately, our wrapping paper wasn't recyclable this year. So yeah, we've had this wrapping paper for years though. And next year I'm going to need to purchase some more as we almost ran out, and I plan to only buy paper that is recyclable, as I just cringe seeing all of that go into the trash. So once I've worked my way through that garbage, it's time to put everything back in its home before we can start cleaning the house. That was all I ended up doing on Christmas morning, so now it's a few days later and I'm ready to start taking down all of the Christmas decorations. I plan to start decluttering soon and hope to get to our Christmas decor while it's still like fresh in my memory, but I simply didn't have the time to purge, as again, we had company that was coming over. So normally I would recommend decluttering your Christmas decor one of two ways. Number one, when you are putting out your decorations and you don't have or reach for like those certain items, or two, when you're taking down and you know what you've already used for the year and what you didn't use and just what you don't like. It truly is a lot more simple to just hammer it out while it's fresh in your memory. I did end up putting those wreaths that were on the back of our dining room chairs in a declutter pile. I actually left the tags on them as I wasn't sure if I loved them. Turns out I don't, and I will be returning them. And hopefully next year I will be more on the ball and I'll be able to get smaller ones with a different style that I actually love. So moving on, it is time to take down the rest of the living room decor, including the Christmas tree.
Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie. Throw away our labor like a piece of paper, gone and won't be found. And ooh, 'cause you were not wrong. And ooh, 'cause we are not one. You've blown out the last ray and buried us in cold waves. I'm dancing in the mess you left behind. Oh, now you don't know me, can't control or own me, but you're the one who's playing with my mind. Yeah. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind.
One of the biggest downfalls of a real Christmas tree is all of the pine needles that need to be cleaned up. However, I found this year that because we didn't have it for a full month like normal, it didn't lose as many. So I wanted to get those cleaned up first before we started taking down this Christmas village, mainly because I didn't want myself or the rest of the family to track the pine needles all over the house, creating more of a mess and just unnecessary extra work.
All I see is spring. And ooh, 'cause you were right all the time.
The mirror along with the big window in the front here had finger and handprints all over them, so I wanted to get those cleaned and get my plants back in this bay window, as to be honest, they're hanging on by a thread. So I hope that putting them back here in this window just really helps to perk them back up, and hopefully they survive.
Now you don't know me, can't control or can't control. You're the one who's playing with my mind. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. So I'm just dancing in the mess you left behind. Room is filled with silence. We're alone and frightened. All we do is lie.
We're going to move back into the main living area once the kids are in bed, but I wanted to continue on as there was still lots to do. So the only decor that I kept out was that beautiful planter with the cypress stem in it. We're going to set it here on this little white table, which is why I am cleaning it. Eventually, I want to put a real plant here, I think, but it wouldn't get a ton of light, so I need to decide what to do with this little nook area to keep it functional, but also beautiful. One thing I noticed in our bedroom was a lot of dust, so we're going to quickly dust in here, then again move back downstairs to finish cleaning up. If you are enjoying today's video so far, go ahead and hit the like button. It really helps to push this video out to reach more people who might need some help in their homes, and I'm truly grateful for all of you who continue to watch and engage here on the channel.
Stop looking at you, you're like a firefly. Guide me out of the woods now. Oh, I think I lost my way, but got you to help me back. Tell me what I should do now. Every time I'm feeling down, you can make it go away. Your light is shining bright on me. Got no reason to be afraid. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. I feel it in my heart. You're glowing in the dark, glowing in the dark. Yeah, you're glowing in the dark. You can make it go away. Glowing in the dark. You can make it go away.
Next up is cleaning and resetting the kitchen. So just wiping down the counters, deep cleaning the sink, vacuuming, mopping, all the things. It feels so good, I'm not gonna lie, to have our house back in order. I love having just a more minimal clean space. I also just want to say how excited I am for the next few videos that I have coming up. I'm going to be sharing my hoarder to minimalist story, as well as launching my Urge to Purge series. You all help me pick that name out over on Instagram, and honestly, it's going to be so good. So make sure that you are subscribed if you are ready to get your house decluttered and simplified in the new year here, as well as just, you know, start getting into better routines so you can spend more time doing the things that you love to do. That is one of my main goals for the new year, is to help you all implement some incredible systems in your home and take you from being like super overwhelmed to just creating an easy to clean space. Comment below I'm in if you are ready to join the journey.
We say we love, we say we love. But we were just innocent until something better came along. Nobody speaks my language and you read me like a book. This night means forever and so does me and you. We say we love, we say we love. We gave it all, we gave it all. We say we love, we say we love. But we were just interesting until something better came along.
Thank you so much for being here and supporting the channel. If you haven't already, please make sure to like and subscribe. And again, share this video with a friend or to your socials and tag me if you found value in it. We will see you in the next one. Bye.